Starting our Amrap as many rounds as possible with the wall sit burpee. Keep your thighs parallel to the floor, shift your weight forward, crawl out, push up if you got it, sink back into that wall sit positions for 5 reps. This is tremendous for your leg conditioning. Very good, gets the heart rate up very efficiently. Practicing that crawling pattern as well. Really try to keep the knee bend the whole time as you see. Crawling out, giving a push-up. 5 of these wall sit burpees. Looking good. Go at your own pace. We're doing this for 5 minutes. Great conditioning, great core work, good body awareness here. Right into the lateral crawl. There and back 5 times. I'm going about 3 paces per side. You don't need a lot of room for this. Going back and forth. You can see I have a slight knee bend in my legs. I'm going back and forth 5 times, getting that lateral movement, really good for our shoulder blades and our hips. Moving back and forth 5 times. Keep going, doing great. Into the knee drive. So split stance, come up hard. 5 each side is going to get that heart rate up and keep it up there. Looking good. 5 each side, drive down hard with that front foot, and that knee comes up aggressively with the opposite side. Rest when you need to. Try to keep moving in this fashion for 5 minutes. Back to that wall sit burpee. Excellent work. You are allowed to take short little breaks if you need it, but try to keep moving. It's only 5 minutes. You're doing great. As many rounds as possible. A push-up is only an option. If you can do it, go for it. If you can't, just hold your plank. It's totally good. Keeping that knee bend, really taxing the quads here. Great body awareness. Make sure we're breathing into that lateral crawl. Good work. There and back 5 times. Just a few paces. A little of that goes a long way. We're at 2.5 minutes, folks. Looking great. Under halfway. Keep moving. You're doing fantastic. Short, intense workouts. That's the name of the game here. Good work. Into the knee drive. 5 and 5. Great balance, great coordination drill, especially when our heart rate is already elevated. Awesome. You can use whatever range of motion is appropriate. If you can't get your knee all the way to the ground, that's fine. Just work on a hip extension and then driving up the leg. Shake out the tension when you need to. Here's a different view. Wall sit burpee. Excellent work. Good control. Legs are parallel to the floor. Core is nice and tight. We're shifting forward, getting into that push-up if we can, always returning to a tall sitting position. 3 minutes and 30 seconds, folks. We're almost there. Keep working. Looking great. Throwing that push-up in there. Doing great. Keep it going. Into the lateral crawl now. 3 paces one way, 3 paces the other. Keep it moving. You're doing fantastic. Keep that core nice and tight. Pretend like you're balancing something on your back. We're almost done. We're under a minute. Keep working. You're doing great. Coming down to the last 30 seconds. It's a fantastic routine. It's certainly going to get your heart rate up, improve your body awareness, get you set for your day. Or if you're using this as a finisher, this is a tremendous finisher for a bodyweight training program. Looking good. We're under 30 seconds into those knee drives here. 5 and 5. That's it. Doing fantastic. And 10 seconds. 3, 2, 1. Excellent work.